So the honey supers are off. It's now fall, and I'm doing oxalic acid vaporization with our Varrora mini vaporizer. This is wood bleach, and I do 5 grams. This is pre-measured so that I can pack the oxalic acid in. And then when I put it in this, it'll vaporize it. You'll see it, kind of the smoke come out. We're doing this pretty early. We thought the bees would not be flying yet, but you can see right away the smoke coming out. The bees, you can hear them, they will start fanning right away. It moves that vapor all through the colony. It doesn't affect the bees at all, health-wise, but the Varrora mites they have knocks them down. It doesn't get under the cappings, so we do this on a weekly cycle in the fall when the queens slow down, so that any sporadic mites are killed as bees hatch and as mites come out. Doing it weekly gives us another shot to make sure we get them all. And then warm days throughout the winter that's above 50, we'll do that. We won't do it when they're tightly clustered because we don't want them to break the cluster. This is done. When the light goes solid, when I fill this and pop it, it'll blink really, really fast. And then it goes to a slow as it builds back up, and when it goes solid, it's ready for the next one.